What's up, y'all? I'm at my grandma's house. We got a yard sale going on in the background, but I'm kind of bored, so I think I'm about to do some nature boy V stuff and head in the woods. Found these two things. I think I'm gonna try to catch some craw. These are the tools I got to work with right now. Cut the top off. Just use a knife, cut it off. A lot of people, you can put worms or something in there. Put this in here, make sure it's secure, and leave that underwater like that. And minnows will swim in there and get stuck. That's not what I'm doing. I'm just gonna try to scoop some up. Now I just gotta make my way to the woods. And this is the creek I just came upon. Let's see what we can find. Well, it happened that fast. I caught me a minnow. Also got another one in here. I just put the thing in there. As soon as I put it in there, they swam in. So, dang. Didn't have time to show y'all. Just simply put this thing right here in the water. Just a bucket. I'm scared what's over on this side down. I walk my way to the other side. We'll see. In the meanwhile, waiting for fish though. Let's catch some snitch. Excuse my language. Not too bad. We made it in the woods. We're setting the tent up now. No, we have not. Only got it up. Wasn't too hard. Putting the stakes in now. Just hope I don't see no.
Not really nothing. Truck through.
Time to light the fire. Yeah, tragedy with the eggs. The breakfast. I'm gonna build my canopy. I'm gonna sleep over there in the tent.
Hey.
Yeah, we finally got the fire roasting, you know, today. So, you know. But anything, you see that?
Yeah.
Neither one of us has camped in the woods before. I guess it's gonna be our first time.
Yeah.
Might go live in a little bit. I don't know. God damn.
Out of here. His shit loud. I remember we started his shit.
Fuck him up.
Remember somebody did.